from you in this revision class. So you have to give me the answers. I'll ask questions, you have to give me the answers, right? Okay, let me start with one problem. Your question is, you have to simplify the Boolean expression where y is equal to a plus b into a bar plus c into b bar plus c bar. This is visible, right? Is there an issue? You can, I'm audible, right? So this is the question. Y is equal to a plus b into a bar plus c into b bar plus c bar. So you have to give me the answer. A plus b into a bar plus c into b bar plus c bar. Okay. B bar plus c bar. B bar plus c bar. This is the question. I'm audible, right? Is there any issue? Please respond, guys. In OBR, this no ma'am is for audible or issues. Which one? Am I audible? You can view the screen, right? Okay, okay, guys. Okay, thank you. So this is the question. Y is equal to a plus b into a bar plus c into b bar plus c bar. So this is under the category reduce the Boolean expression or simplify the Boolean expression. This is the question. So y is equal to a plus b into a bar plus c into b bar plus c bar. Then how can we do this problem? So first we are going to expand these two terms. So how you are going to expand? A into a bar plus a into c plus a bar b plus b c. That is into b bar plus c bar. Okay, b bar plus c bar. So here which term you can eliminate in the second step? This is your first step. This is your first step. In this step, which term you can eliminate? What is the answer for a into a bar? What is the answer for a into a bar? A into a bar is equal to a into a bar is equal to 0, right? A into a bar is equal to 0. This is one of the Boolean identity. A into a bar is equal to 0. So this term goes to 0. This term goes to 0. So what is the answer? AC plus a bar b bar plus bc into b bar plus c bar. Okay. The term will be like a into a bar is equal to 0. So the term will be AC plus a bar b bar plus bc into b bar plus c bar. Okay, this is the term. Then what you have to do? Again, you have to multiply with these two. This is your function 1. This is your second function. So you have to multiply both. So what is the answer will be? You are going to multiply with b bar a b bar c. Next one, a bar b bar b bar plus b c into b bar. Okay. Now you have to multiply the same with c. So how it will be? A c into c bar plus a bar b bar c bar, right? A bar b bar c bar plus b c c bar, b c c bar. This is the next step. Okay. So first step, you are eliminating a into a bar, which is equal to 0. Again, what you are going to do, you are multiplying the first term with the second term. That is what you are doing here. So what are the terms will be eliminated from your step number 3? Which all terms you can eliminate from step number 3? So what is the final answer? What is the final answer? What is the final answer? Here, this is not, what is wrong here? This is not B bar, this is B only, right? So this is B only. So this is A bar, B bar. Here also, this one is B only, right? A plus B into A bar plus C. That was the term. So what is the answer? You got the answer? What is the answer here? So here again, this is in B into B bar. B into B bar is equal to 0. So this term goes to 0. This term goes to 0. Here BC B bar. Okay, again B into B bar. So this term is goes to 0. Then AC into C bar. C into C bar. So this term goes to 0. Again, what will be there? BC C bar. So this term goes to 0. So what is the remaining thing here? Here it is A B bar C plus A bar B C bar. Okay, this is the final answer. A B bar C plus A bar B C bar. Did you get the answer? Yes. A B bar C. Very good, very good, very good. So I got many answers. Nice. So why no response from C section? Am I audible, guys? C section, am I audible? Only 37 have joined. What is the problem? Is there an issue? Only 37 students have joined. So you are not responding. So give the answer also. Okay. So we'll see the next question. We'll see which class will give the first answer. So first one. Did you do this problem? We'll move to the next one. Shall we move to the next question? I hope this is clear, right? So we'll move to the next question. So next question, simplify the expression y is equal to a plus b bar into a bar plus b, a plus b bar into a bar plus b whole bar. Okay, a plus b bar into a bar plus b whole bar. This is your question. Y is equal to a plus b bar into a bar plus b whole bar. Okay. So which expression we have to apply here? Which theorem we have to apply here? Because this is a complete. You are taking that bar taking. You are taking the bar, right? So which theorem you are going to apply here? we are going to apply the De Morgan's theorem. So what is De Morgan's theorem? What is De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem says that A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. Similar way, A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Right? This is nothing but the De Morgan's theorem. Now, this is in the terms of product term, right? A into B whole bar. This is in terms of A into B whole bar. A is nothing but A plus B bar and B is nothing but A bar plus B, right? So how we are going to write this one? A plus B bar whole bar plus A bar plus B whole bar, right? A plus B bar whole bar plus A bar plus B whole bar, right? Now again what you have to do? Again you have to apply the De Morgan's theorem. This is now again in the form of De Morgan's theorem, right? So now what you are going to do? This is A plus B bar whole bar. How you are going to take the De Morgan's? It will be A bar into B bar whole bar. Okay, B bar, the B double bar. This is what is the first term. So this first term will be there itself. Similarly, here we are going to write A bar, A double bar plus B bar. A double bar plus B bar. Right? So what is the final answer? So this is not plus, this is into. Okay, this is into. What is the final answer? What is the final answer? What is A double bar? A double bar is nothing but A itself, right? Similarly, B double bar is equal to B itself. So the condition is A double bar is equal to A itself. A double bar is equal to A itself. So what is the answer here? What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Yes, got answer from C section. A bar B plus A B bar. So what is A bar B plus A B bar? No answer from A and B section. Is that correct? Answer is correct. A bar B plus A B bar. What is A bar B? A B bar, A B bar plus A bar B. So what is the answer, guys? So this term will be A bar into B plus A into B bar, right? So this is nothing but A XOR B. The term is A XOR B, right? The term is A XOR B. Is that clear? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to next question? Did you copy down? So at least give an yes or no. Shall we move or not? If you have finished, we'll move to the next question. Did you finish? Okay. So your next question is, so in NPTEL also you can expect this kind of question. Okay. So you are getting one question, Boolean expression, and they are asking for the simplified form. Okay. They will be asking for the simplified form. You have to give the correct answer. Okay. They will give so many options and you have to give the correct answer. So answer will be there, but you have to reach that answer. That is the most important thing, right? You have to reach the answer. How will you reach the answer? So if you miss some identities, you cannot reach that. You cannot find out the final answer. So it might be a very big one. So always you have to study all these Boolean identities. So your next question is, y is equal to a b bar c bar d bar. A b bar a b bar c bar then d bar. Okay, this is your question. A b bar c bar d bar. This is the question. Is that clear? Is the question clear? So apply De Morgan's theorem and do the problem. Apply De Morgan's theorem and do the problem and let me know the answer. Any answer? So first you are going to apply the De Morgan's theorem to okay, we are going to apply the De Morgan's to the first bar. So it will be A B bar C bar bar plus D bar. Okay. A B bar C bar bar plus D bar. Okay. So this is the case of double bar. So it will be A B bar C plus D bar. A B bar C plus D bar. So A B bar you can write it as A bar plus B bar into C plus D bar. This is the answer. A bar plus B bar into C plus D bar. Okay. So this is the term like A double bar. A double bar is equal to A. This is what you are applying here. And here it is again De Morgan's theorem. Again De Morgan's theorem. Here also you are applying De Morgan. So once you copy down, let me know. So your next question. Your next question. X plus y bar. X plus y bar plus xy. X plus y bar plus xy into x plus y bar into x bar y. Okay. X plus y bar plus xy into x plus y bar into x bar y. This is your question. So what you have to do? So if you are getting one question like that, first you have to expand this expression, right? First you have to expand the expression. Then you can do it. Okay. So this is the expression. So let it be P is equal to x plus y bar plus xy into x plus y bar into x bar y. X plus y bar into xy into x plus y bar into x bar y. So here what you have to do is, this is the term y bar plus xy. So you know one identity, a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Okay, this is one of the Boolean identity. A plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. A plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So what is happening here? A is your y bar, A is your y bar, and A bar is nothing but y. So what is B? B is x. Okay. B is nothing but x. A is nothing but y bar. A bar is equal to y. Okay. Then B is equal to your x. So this term you can write it as x plus y bar. You can write the term as x plus y bar. So you have to replace y bar plus xy, x plus y bar, or y bar plus x. So you are writing the expression x plus y bar plus x. Okay, this is nothing but x plus y bar, or you can write it as y bar plus x. Okay, y bar plus x. So this is the term. So you are writing like x plus y bar plus x into x plus y bar into x bar y, right? So x plus x is nothing but x itself, right? So a plus a is equal to identity, a plus a is equal to a. So you are writing this is x plus y bar into x plus y bar into x bar y. Okay. So again this is x plus y bar into x plus y bar into x plus y bar, right? X plus y bar into x plus y bar. So again this is a into a is equal to a. Okay. A into a is equal to a. This is the next identity. So you need to write only one term, x plus y bar into x bar y. X plus y bar into x bar y. So you can write it as, you can expand the term x bar y plus y bar, x bar, y, right? So this is x into x bar. What is a into a bar? A into a bar is equal to 0. A into a bar is equal to 0. So this term is goes to 0. Similarly, y bar into y. So this term is also goes to 0. Your answer is equal to 0. Your answer is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the main thing you need to study. A plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. A plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So that is the main identity you have to be remember. Then all other things are you knowing only. A plus a is equal to a into a is equal to a plus a bar is a into a bar is equal to 0. Okay. So these are the main identities which are used in this problem. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, very good, Praveen. You give the answer. So I hope it's clear. Shall we move to the next problem? Shall we move to the next problem? So next one is also a little bit big problem. Right. Next question, prove that. Okay. Prove that AB plus C plus D into C bar plus D, C bar plus D into D plus E is equal to A, B, C bar plus D. A, B, C bar plus D. This is the question. Okay. So this is your final expression. After simplification, you have to get this answer. A, B, C bar plus D. So it's a prove that A, B plus C plus D into C bar plus D into C bar plus D plus E is equal to A, B, C bar plus D. A, B, C bar plus D. So here what you have to do is you keep it like this. So we are going to write AB plus C plus D into, now you are going to multiply the second and third term. Okay, you are going to multiply the second and third term. So C bar into C bar plus C bar D plus C bar E plus C bar plus D plus D E. Okay, this is the expansion. So C bar into C bar is nothing but C bar plus. Similarly, D into D bar is nothing but, sorry, D into D is equal to nothing but D itself, right? So you can rewrite the term. So it will be AB plus C plus D into, so this is C bar only, no? So what you have to do is you can take D common, right? First term C bar, this term will be C bar plus D into C bar plus C bar plus 1 plus E, okay, plus C bar E. We can write it like that. Okay, C bar plus 1 plus E plus C bar E. You are taking D outside. So what is this answer? This 1 plus any answer. Okay, 1 plus A plus AB plus AC, like that. Whatever it is, the answer will be is equal to 1 only. Okay. So this term comes to 1. This term will be equal to 1. So you can write the expression again, AB C plus D into, now what you can take common outside C bar. Okay, C bar into 1 plus E plus D. So this term again will be equal to 1. Okay. So the answer will be AB plus C plus D into this C bar plus D. C bar plus D. Now what you have to do is you have to expand the second term and find out the answer and check whether you are getting A, B, C bar plus D. Now you have to expand this expression. Okay, you have to expand this fourth step and you have to find out the answer. So how to get that one? Which is equal to A, B, C bar plus A, B, D plus C bar, right? Plus C, D, again D, C bar plus D into D into D. C into C bar, this term goes to 0. This term goes to 0. Again, you can write it as A, B, C plus, you are taking D outside, A, B plus C. D into D is nothing but D itself, right? D into D is equal to nothing but D itself plus C bar plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus answer is equal to 1 itself. So your answer will be A, B, C bar plus D. A, B, C bar plus D. Okay, 1 plus, once it comes as 1 plus the answer, 1 plus whatever multiple terms will be there, it is not a problem. If it is 1 plus, answer will be 1 itself. Okay, answer is 1 itself. So this whole term, so this whole term is 1. This whole term will be changed to 1. So answer will be ABC. This is C bar. Okay, sorry. ABC bar plus D. Final answer is ABC bar plus D. Is that clear? Guys, is that clear? Any doubt in this problem? Is that clear? Did you finish? So why we are doing this problem? Because last year you one essay completely from this Boolean expression simplification. Okay, so that's why we are doing this Boolean expression problem. Did you finish it or not? Please let me know. Ovia, did you finish? Shivashaktivel, Sedu Madhavan, Sharanya, did you guys finish or not? Okay, so we'll move to next problem. So one very simple question. Simplify the expression y is equal to a plus a b bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b bar c bar d bar plus etc. What is the answer of this question? A plus a b bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b bar c bar d bar plus etc. Okay, it will be continued. So what is the answer of this question? A plus a b bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b bar c bar d bar plus etc. What is the answer? Yes, I got an answer from Sharanya. Sharanya is telling this is A. Is there any other answer? Is there answer from A and B section? Shivashaktivel is telling this is A. How A comes? So you are writing A into 1 plus B bar plus B bar plus etc. Okay. So once you are getting 1 plus, the answer will be 1. So A into 1 equals to 2. This is the answer. Right. So you have to do it in very fast. Okay. In the competitive examinations also. So this is the question. Do we need to do any more questions in the in this category? If you need, we will do. Otherwise, we will shift to next problem, next type of questions. Do you need any question in this category? Is it clear or not? Shall we proceed to some other topic? Yes, ma'am, for what? Another topic or same topic? Okay, we'll switch to another topic. Now, one of the question is like, your question is, y is equal to ABCD. Your question is, y is equal to ABCD. Y is equal to ABCD. Okay. So this is a function. Y is equal to ABCD. And your question is to implement the same using two input NAND gate. Two input NAND gate. This is your question. Okay. You have y is equal to ABCD and y is equal to ABCD. This is a function and your question is you have to implement the same using two input NAND gate. You have to implement the same using two input NAND gate. How will you do? Any idea? Y is equal to ABCD is your function and they are asking two input NAND gate. They are asking about two input NAND gate. You can use only NAND gate. Okay, you cannot use any other gate. You have to use only NAND gate and you have to implement. That also two input. How NAND gate looks like? Two input NAND gate is right. And with a bubble. And with a bubble. A, B. And the answer y is equal to A, B bar. Y is equal to A, B bar. This is nothing but your NAND gate. Right. So how will you do? So we are going to write y is equal to A, B, C, D double bar. We are putting double bar. Okay. So if is there any difference will make from ABCD? So because A double bar is equal to A. Okay. A double bar is equal to A. So it doesn't make any difference. A double bar is equal to A. So AB you consider ABCD double bar. Okay. ABCD double bar is nothing but ABCD itself. Okay. So you are putting ABCD double bar. Now what you are going to do? Now you are going to apply the De Morgan's theorem, right? Now you are going to apply the De Morgan's theorem to the first one. You are going to apply De Morgan's to the first one. ABCD double bar. Okay. So how it will be? AB bar plus CD bar all bar. The first bar is there itself. Okay, first bar is there itself. You are applying De Morgan's to the first one. You are applying De Morgan's to the first one. So AB bar plus CD bar. AB. You are considering AB as a group. A into this is like A into B. So you are considering AB bar plus CD bar, right? Now what you are going to do? Now you are going to apply this De Morgan's here. Now you are going to apply the De Morgan here. Okay. Now this is like A plus B all bar. While applying De Morgan's theorem, it will be A bar into B bar. So this one will become AB bar into CD bar. This will become CD bar. Okay. AB bar, AB double bar into CD double bar. AB double bar into CD double bar. AB double bar into CD double bar. Now also this is not, you cannot take it from, this is like a single one, right? So you have to use only two input NAND gate. You have to use only two input NAND gate. So what you are again going to do is A, B double bar into C, D double bar. Then you are putting all double bar. Okay, you are putting all double bar. So all double bar means the same, right? A, B double bar into C, D double bar. That is but the all double bar. So while putting all the double bar, it will be the same answer, A, B double bar. Now we are going to draw draw the circuit diagram. We are going to draw the circuit diagram. So the circuit diagram will be like, first you are using two NAND gate. Okay, this is one NAND gate and this is your second NAND gate. Okay, and A, B here, A, B is here, and this is C, D, you are receiving here. Okay, C, D receiving here. So what is the output here? This is A, B bar, and here it is C, D bar, A, B bar into C, D bar. So now again you are using one more NAND gate here. Okay, so both are getting the same input. Both are getting the same input, and here also you are putting one NAND gate here. So both are getting the same input. So what is the answer will be A, B bar bar, and here it is C, D bar bar. Okay, A, B double bar into C, D double bar. Now what we are going to do is, we are using a single NAND gate here. This double NAND gate. So here is one input and this is the another input. So what is the answer here? A, B double bar into C, D double bar whole bar. Okay, A, B double bar. This is AB double bar. It gets the AB double bar here into CD double bar whole bar. Okay, whole bar only comes when this is the NAND gate. Now what you have to do is, now this is like a AB into CD bar. Okay, AB into CD bar. This is like a AB into CD bar. Now again you need one more bar, right? Again you are giving this. I'll put it here. This is a single. This is not single. Okay, same input is you are given to the both input. So this it will be, this is like a, your answer will be AB double bar into CD double bar bar. So the first one again bar double bar. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the circuit diagram. AB double bar into CD double bar double bar. So here what is the answer? This is same as what is AB double bar is equal to AB itself, right? So here again you can put it like AB double bar is equal to AB into CD. Again double bar is equal to, that is nothing but ABCD. This is nothing but ABCD only. This is nothing but ABCD only. But in the question they are asking about only two input NAND gate you can use. That's why we are splitting it like this. Is that okay? Is that clear? Can you copy down? 20123 absent. 219 absent. Why Purna joined 2 times? 29 absent. 229. Three zero eight absent. 312 absent. 19 absent. 24 absent. Why this many absent is here? C section. 7 members are absent in C section. B section 5 members. A section all present. Did you finish it? Shall we move to the next problem? Did you complete? Did you finish or not? Please respond, guys. Did you finish? Okay. So we'll do the next question. So one more question in this format. Your question is F is equal to AB plus C bar D bar. So your question is implement the expression using NAND gate. F is equal to AB plus C bar D bar. AB plus C bar D bar. AB plus C bar D bar. So this one you can do it like AB double bar plus B bar double bar, which is equal to, you can write it as AB bar plus AB bar into AB bar into C bar D bar, this whole bar. Okay, you can write it like this. AB double bar, first you are applying double bar to both cases, AB double bar plus C bar D bar double bar. Okay, so this is the expression for expanded form of De Morgan's theorem, A into B, right? So you are writing AB bar into C bar D bar whole bar. Now you can draw the diagram. This is one NAND gate here, second NAND gate. Okay, first NAND gate input is A, B, second NAND gate inputs are C and D. Okay, so what is the answer here? This is AB bar, this is AB bar. Here you are putting C bar D bar, okay, because here it is C bar D bar only, right? Here one more bar is there. So C bar D bar, the answer is C bar D bar whole bar. Okay, again it is given to a single input, so a double input, and gate, answer will be AB bar into C bar D bar whole bar. AB bar into C bar D bar whole bar. This is using NAND gate, AB plus C bar D bar. Okay. Now, so till now we are doing like we are from expression we are simplifying the answer, right? Now your question is you are getting a circuit diagram. Okay, you are getting a circuit diagram. So from that circuit diagram, you have to simplify the expression. That is your question. So the question is, so you have to draw the circuit diagram. This is AND gate. This is A, B. Here the input is A is connected from here. Okay, A is connected from here, and the corresponding input of second input is using a B, and this is C. Okay, or gate B and C. Then similarly for third gate, this is BC. Okay, this is B, this one. Okay, and Y is equal to is nothing but this is Y. You have to simplify the expression. A, B, C, these are the three inputs, and you have to simplify the expression for Y. What is the answer? You try, then we'll explain. Find out the expression for y. So you consider this is the gate number 1, 2, 3, right? So what is the output of gate number 1? What is the output of gate number 1? Because A and B is the input, so answer is AB, right? This is nothing but AB, right? This is nothing but AB. Then what is the expression for the second one? Second one is A into this term is B plus C, right? So A into B plus C. This term is B plus C. So similarly, what is the expression for gate number 3? Gate number 3 is B into B plus C, right? B into B plus C. So Y is equal to AB plus A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. This is the final expression y. Now what you have to do is you have to simplify the expression, right? So AB into A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. Is there any difficulty to get this expression? Is that clear? Is the question clear? A into AB plus A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. This is your question. Now you have to simplify this expression. Okay. So let me erase the diagram. So your expression is equal to y is equal to AB plus A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. Okay, A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. Now what you have to do is you have to expand the expression. So AB plus AB plus AC plus B into B plus BC. Right. So AB plus AB is nothing but AB itself. Right. Then B into B is nothing but B itself. So you can write the expression AB plus AC plus B plus BC. Okay, B plus BC. So now which one you are going to take it outside? So B into B plus C, you can write it as B into 1 plus C, right? B into B plus C. It is nothing but B into 1 plus C. 1 plus C is nothing but 1. So B into 1, so this term will be B itself. Okay, this term will be B itself. So AB plus AC plus B. Again, you are going to take B outside. B into A plus 1, right, plus AC. A plus 1 is nothing but 1 itself. So B into 1 is B plus AC. This is the final answer. B plus AC. Okay. Any doubt? Sonia, please mute. 135, please mute. Okay. You copy down, then let me know. Okay, this was some other problem. I hope you might have copied down. So one more thing is, if they are asking like in the diagram, you have to simplify. You have to draw the circuit diagram also. So now the circuit diagram B plus A bar C, right? So how to draw this one? You can draw one OR gate. So B, then one AND gate you can put. This is A bar C. This is Y. Okay, this is the simplified diagram, right? A plus B plus A bar C. Y is nothing but Y is equal to B plus A bar C. Okay, B plus A bar C. This is the circuit diagram. Now we are doing some other problem. I hope it's clear. So we have to be ready with all kind of problems. Okay, in which way they are asking, we do not know. So we have to be familiarized with all the questions. So next question, Y is equal to sigma M 1357. Sigma M 1357. Sigma M 1357. Simplify the expression Y is equal to sigma M 1357. Any idea? Do you have any idea about how to do this problem? Any idea? So what is the meaning of sigma M1357? What do you mean by post form and soap form? What is soap and post form? How to do this problem? 1357. So 1357 means how many variables are there? How many variables are there? Please let me know how many variables are there for 1357. 1357. 7 is the maximum number, right? So how many variables will be there? How many variables will be there? 1357. How many variables will be there? Yeah, very good, Gayatri. It's 3, right? 3 variables are there. So you are assuming that the 3 variables are ABC. Okay? Because 7 is the maximum number. So you require only 3 variables. So you can put it as A, B, C. Sorry, A, B, C. Right? A, B, C are your 3 variables. So what do you mean by 1? What is 1? 1 is equal to, what is 0? You are writing like A bar, B bar, C bar. This is nothing but your M0. Then A bar, B bar, C is your M1. Like, so similar way, A, B, C is your M7, right? M7. So now you are going to write it in terms of like that. Okay. 1 is nothing but A bar, B bar, C. Then what is 3? 3 number is, you can write it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 7. So 3 is A bar B C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Right? First one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. So 3 is nothing but this is 0. 0 means A bar. 1 means there is no bar. Okay. So A bar B C plus A bar B C plus what is 5? 5 is 101. 101 means what? A B bar C. A B bar C plus 7. 7 is 111, which is nothing but A B C. This is your expression. Okay. This is the expression. So what is the answer? You have to simplify and you have to tell me that. First thing is you have to bring the expression from this min term. Okay. You have to bring the expression from the min term. That is 1357. 1 is nothing but A bar B bar, A bar B bar C. Then 3 is A bar B C. 5 is A B bar C. And 7 is A B C. Now here A bar C is common, right? So A bar C into B bar plus B. Here AC is common. AC into B bar plus B bar plus B. So what is B bar plus B? A plus A bar is equal to, what is A plus A bar? A plus A bar is equal to, what is the answer? What is A plus A bar? A plus A bar is equal to A itself, right? A plus A bar is equal to 1 itself. What? A plus A bar is equal to 1. So this B plus B bar also is equal to 1. So this is A bar C plus AC. So here C into A plus A bar. Again A plus A bar is equal to 1. Answer is A plus A bar is equal to 1. Answer is C. So one more last question in this category. The last question in this category. I hope you have done. Question is, simplify the Boolean expression y is equal to pi m 357. Pi m 357. Pi m 357. So if it is pi, how it comes? This is A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is what is ABC. M0 will be, this is, if it is sigma m, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So if it is pi m, this is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. If it is pi, it will be ulta. So how to write this one? Pi and 3. 3 is equal to 100. 3 corresponding to 100. So you have to write it as a plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, a plus b bar plus c bar. Now next one is 5. Pi m 5. 5 is equal to 0, 1, 0. So this is equal to a bar plus b plus c bar. A bar plus b plus c bar. Then 7. 7 is equal to 0, 0, 0. So that is nothing but a bar plus b bar plus c bar. A bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay. This is what is pi. Only difference is if it is sigma, you have to start from 0 to 7, and if it is pi, whatever you are getting here, that is the ulta here in the case of pi. Okay, pi you have to start from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right. So this is sigma m, this is pi m, and this side this is sigma m. And if it is sigma m ABC, you are taking the product, but in the case of pi, you are taking the sum a plus b plus c, right? So that is nothing but product of the sum. Okay, so product of the sum is nothing but pi. Sigma is sum of the product. That is AB plus BC plus AC. That is sum of product. Product of sum is a plus b bar plus c bar into a bar plus b plus c bar into a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Now you have to expand this expression. Okay, you have to expand the expression and you will get the answer. So let me check what is the answer. So final answer will be a bar b bar plus c bar. This is the final answer. A bar plus a bar b bar plus c bar. So this one you have to do. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right. This is nothing but a bar plus a bar b bar plus c bar. That is the final answer. Right. Any attendance improvement?